Hello, my name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. How is everyone doing today? It's so good to see you chilling with me on this Chill Out Friday. Before we get started, you know the drill. Let me first of all say to my old subscribers, my ride to dies, thank you so much for holding me down. And to my new subscribers, welcome, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. We appreciate you as well. Listen, we got a lot to do. Let's get into this video. We are talking about melt and pour embed versus cold process method embeds. Let's get into it. But before we start, let's do some deep breathing exercise. Get your beverage of your choice because today is Chill Out Friday. Let's go. Breathe in through your nose, nice deep breath, and out through your mouth. Ooh, that feels good. Doesn't that feel good? All right, let's get into this video. Come on, guys. All right, so we are going to compare some things. First and foremost, this is our cold process embeds. That means that was made with the same way you would make a whole soap loaf or soap. This is the same thing. It's just that we are making embeds with it. That means lye and everything else is in here. We put the gloves on. Had to be very careful, okay? So these are cold process method embeds. And here we have the melt and pour soap base, clear, and this is the clear. Remember the gumballs? That was the ultra super clear. And then we made the fire hydrants and the hats and the underside of the hearts with the white base soap from Melt and Pour, okay? So let's go over some of the things that you can use as colorants. We can use micas. You can also use bath bomb colorant powders, which we did. You can use clays, and you can also use liquid colorants. Now, I'm not going to touch these because I don't have any gloves on, but let's compare the vibrant of the colors. This is cold process. And then let's come back and compare the color of the clear, the translucent, and then you have your white, which we add color. Okay? Before we go any farther, let's do the quote of today. The quote of today is, "Those who don't believe in magic will never find it." Let me say that again. The quote of today is, "Those who don't believe in magic will never find it." Do you believe? That's the question of today. We talked about we're going to do my ship soap, which is called By the Bay. These are also done with melting pour, basic white. So that gives you a chance what it looks like. And these were also the translucent, see-through. And all you have to do is just add a little blue colorant like I did. I didn't have to add anything to the white. I just melted it on 30-second bursts in the microwave, and that's it. Quick and simple. Which one you think holds the scent longer? Write your comment down below. The question is, which one? Is it melt and pour, base soap, or do you think the cold process method? The question is again, which one will hold your scent longer? Good question, right? That's something to think about. I hope y'all enjoy your Friday today. Chill out. All of these embeds will definitely going into soaps. Hopefully you'll be here for the ride with me. I know you will be. One moment, we'll be right back. I'll show you another tray of the cold process method, embeds. And remember, tomorrow we are going to cut those. Larger one into small. I'm going to show you some techniques. Okay, so all of this here are all our embeds that we will be using, right? To make our soap and decorate them. All right, guys, listen, it's Friday. I want you to chill out, enjoy yourself, be safe out there, be careful. Make sure you wear your mask. Listen, you know Glennceria Loving Hands love you always. Mwah. Take good care of yourself until I see you in the next video. Love you much. Have a great weekend. Talk to you later. Bye for now.